Hello students, in our previous class we have learned how to plot a graph, and on the basis of that we have solved exercise 4.3. In that, question number 7 and 8 are left that will be solved by you people. Today we will learn equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. We will learn how we will plot a line parallel to the x-axis and the y-axis. See, just now we have discussed that we will learn about equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Now see, there are some special graphs of some special types of linear equations. First one is equation of the x-axis. So, equation of the x-axis is y is equals to 0, and equation of the y-axis is x is equals to 0. So when we will write the equation of x-axis, then automatically it will come to your mind that at x-axis the value of y will be how much? 0, and at y-axis the value of x is equals to 0. So for that we will plot graph in that way, x-axis and y-axis. So we know that at y-axis x is 0 and at x-axis our y is 0. Now another property is that equation of a line parallel to the y-axis at a distance a from its x is equals to a. Now here we will draw a line parallel to the y-axis. So parallel to the y-axis, this is our y-axis. Here we have taken the value of x is equals to a. Suppose if you have taken the value of 2, 3, 4 like that. So x is somewhere, our a is here. So we have to draw a line parallel to y-axis at a distance a. So this is y, this is parallel to x-axis. So here we have drawn x is equals to a. Is that clear? Now we will draw a line parallel to the x-axis. Here what we have to do, we have to draw a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of b, some distance. But from where? We have to draw a line parallel to the x-axis. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So somewhere our b is here. So this is the line parallel to what? Parallel to the x-axis. Is that okay? Now see, here on the basis of that, you have to solve a question. Our question is solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line. So number line we have read in first chapter. Number line, we have to draw a line and we have to plot the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side and minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one side. So on a number line, here how we will plot? Just you calculate the value 2x minus x and minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. So x is equals to what? Minus 4. So this is our minus 4. So this we have represented in the where? Number line. And in the Cartesian plane. So when you are seeing about Cartesian plane, so Cartesian plane means what? There will be coordinate, x coordinate and y coordinate. But for writing it in x coordinate and y coordinate, what we have to do? Here x is equals to minus 4. So we want the value of what? Y also. We want the value of y also. So just you take x is equals to 4. Okay, 0 into y. So here the value of y will be how much? Y will be how much? 0, and x is equals to how much? Minus 4. So minus 4 and 0. So this is our minus 4 and 0. Is that okay? And we have to draw a line. So in that way we will draw a line. Is that okay? Other value also we can choose. Other value how we can choose? If we have taken the value of what? Suppose if it is minus 4, then our other value will be how much? This is how much? 2. So you can take other values also. Is that okay? Similarly, you can obtain a line parallel to the x-axis corresponding to the equation of the type y is equals to 3 or like that. So if y is equals to 3, then how we will write? Suppose if y is equals to 3, then how we will write? 0 into x plus y into 1 is equals to 3. So similarly, we can plot a graph. In that way, what you have to do, just you have to solve exercise 4.4. Only 2 questions are there and rest questions I will give you for practice. Is that okay? Hope you might have understand all this point, because this graph is not very tough, and plotting a graph, I think you have learned in class 8 also. So this much for this class. In the next class I will give you some practice question. Have a good day for today.